It is live, and welcome. Excited to have you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's freaking get into what we're gonna trade today, baby. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. But it is live. Yes, sir, it's live. What do you mean? Will this be live? What do you mean? We live. We live, live, live. Looks like some rather large gap downs. Well, not too bad. Apple looks good. Nvidia looks good. QQQ has potential. A lot of setups today, boys and girls. Not Microsoft. MD. Boom. Boom. Whoa. Whoa. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, just curious kind of what you guys are looking at today too. This isn't all about me. But I'm just building on my watch list here. Go ahead and share my screen. There you go. So primarily going to be trading the TLM here today. Going to throw in some supply and demand as well. Ooh, like that for possible supply and demand. There should be lots of potential setups across the board. Might get too many. Bro, why do you have to get at my feet? Ugh. MU should be good. Maybe a potential short play. All right, yeah, lots of things to look at today. Sweet. Is there anything specific you guys want me to take a peek at? NQ. Yeah, sometimes I address futures. Yeah. What broker do I use? I use Thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. Or sorry, Charles Schwab now. But yeah, Thinkorswim. The best of the best. If you're lagging, right? Let me show. Yeah, I have NVIDIA on the watch list here. This is what you need to do. Okay. You need to go to the video in which you're watching. Okay. Here. And make sure this says live. Make sure that says live. Because if not, you're going to be back around here. Bro. Oh my gosh. Chill out, dog. You're okay. My goodness. Playing with your tennis ball. Right? You're going to be behind. Right? You can clearly see I'm behind here. Right? So I need to make sure I go live. Skip ahead to live. Okay. I'll keep that open so it reminds you guys. But yeah, okay. NVIDIA, NQ, and gold. Don't really look at gold. But NQ, QQQ, kind of the same thing. So yesterday was kind of a chop day, right? That's going to set up really nice for what we play at TLM or balance theory. Okay, going to set up really nice for that. So lots of potential there. In terms of, I assume scalping, if you're trading NQ, I assume that's going to be more of the mindset, right? If we look at a lower time frame here, right? We have some demand down in here. Okay. So what we really want to see happen is if you can play longs with the bounce off demand there. Okay. Or if we come up and take this high, right? If we come and take this high, right? As long as this demand zone holds and low holds, I have a valid long setup. So then if we pull back, you can take a long, right? So there's really two ways to play this. Now, if demand breaks, I'm going to be looking for shorts to the downside, right? So if demand comes down, if price comes down, like obviously pop out comes down, right? Takes that low, I can play a pullback for a move lower to the other side of balance, right? So not only do we have TLM, we also have this nice balance theory zone right here, right? And we can definitely look to be playing that. Okay, so I really like QQQ, NQ, same setup. Okay, now looking at NVIDIA, it's almost the same chart. Okay, it's almost the same chart, except we gap up from even lower, right? We're gapping up from even lower. So the break of this high doesn't make it bullish, right? Let's turn on our pivot points, right? Let's go to like a 5 minute, right? This is our pivot point high. This is what confirms the continuation of trend to the upside, right? If we stay inside, if this high holds or we stop on that high, right? Pretty good chance we're going to come back lower, right? And so looking for potential shorts there. Now, if we come down, and then we want to work back up, I'll be looking for longs, right? So it's really either way, right? You play either way. And I do have some time. And Court, good question. So Court asks, is the 9 EMA and 20 EMA effective for day trading, or is it only for scalping? Yeah, it would work just relative on the time frame you use. I personally do not use it. I find them misleading. Okay. Sorry, let me get this ball. Okay. I find it misleading. Okay. But what the 9 EMA can do, okay, it can help you stay in your position longer. Okay. But it's going to be relative to the time frame you're looking at, right? So it's going to work with scalping on the 1 minute or day trading on the 5 to 15, right? The EMAs will hold the same. The 20 EMA is more for bullish and bearish indication, I believe. I haven't used that stuff in freaking 3-4 years. But I think it's more for a bullish or bearish indication. So if we're trading above the 20, price should be relatively more bullish. If we're trading below the 20, price should be more bearish. I should look for shorts. Again, the EMA as they stand is a lagging indicator. Okay. The best indication of direction is price action and volume. Okay. That's the best indication that you're going to be able to have to determine where price wants to go next is what is price doing currently and what is the current volume of that specific move, right? That's where you're going to get the quickest data. Okay. That's where you're going to get the quickest data. Hope that helps. Good morning to you too, my friend. What indicator was that? What indicator was what? What do you mean? With the wealthy wave. Hey, you can't have your ball yet because you just make it squeak. You can have this peanut butter stick. The 9 EMA. Again, I don't use, but if you scroll up on the chat, Court L asked about it's effective. Well, what I need you guys to do, okay? We have 5 minutes almost until market open, okay? To wish us luck, okay? To have a great freaking day. What I need you to do, if you don't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But other than that, I need you to like this video. Okay, I have 60 viewers. I have 63 viewers. I need 63 likes. Lock in those likes for good luck today. Lock in those likes for good luck. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, boys and girls. Lock in those likes. I need them pumping. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tanner, what do you mean? Like it up, like it up, like it up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Lock in a like for good luck. Like for good luck. Let's go, Greg. Let's go, Greg. Main chat. Wait, did we have like the same exact watch list here? That's funny. Yeah, we're literally on the same wavelength. That's so funny. Like it up, like it up. We're halfway there. On Apple here. Volume indicator. Okay, so how is a volume indicator relevant? All right, so as price is trending down, typically the sign of a reversal is a volume pump, right? So a relative increase of volume typically can lead to a reversal. What that means is that orders are coming in, okay? That you get that the fastest because before the candle even closes, you can see that relative price action, right? You're going to see it at market open here today, Court, okay? Same thing when price is turning up. As price nears a high or a supply, we typically see a volume increase, okay? That's an influx of orders, okay? Dude, oh my gosh. We don't know what those orders are until what happens next, right? But more than likely, those the price action there, right, would indicate reversal. Dude, stop. You guys ever have had a puppy? You know exactly what I'm going through right now. Ugh. Okay, so yeah, Uma, right here, underneath my picture, there should be a like button right there, right? Right there. Boom, boom, boom. It can, Court. It can. It can mean that. Okay. Should we write that for you? I don't know if you're on mobile. I don't know. I don't know. But like it up. We're halfway there. Only 33 people are going to have a green day today. So sorry for the rest of you. Okay. Greg, are you in the vault still, or did you get removed? Anyone like LVO? Is that Louis Vuitton? I think it is. Oh no, it's not. It's not. No, not even looking at it. Nope. Nope, not even waste my time. Anything that trades like that, I don't touch. Dang, 33 people only having a green day. What I like today is my watch list. Right here. This is my watch list. Pretty sure you were in here when I was going through it. Oh, man. I have no idea what you're talking about, Greg. Sounds like, yeah, I literally have no idea. No, I'll break it down as market opens. That's kind of how I like to do it because maybe half of these won't be relevant once we open. that'll have a big move real fast. And they won't be relevant anymore. Thank you, Shane. And then Shane, yeah, what are you looking at here? I'll get to Apple in a second, but it's similar to QQQ. So QQQ, we're in a balance zone, right? Plus we're inside of TLM, right? Balance is, price going to move to one side or the other, yada, 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 right? And yeah, kind of breaking it down there. Again, we teach that in the mentorship program. Let's get it. How about the bags? All right, so IWM is coming up into supply here. We will see what happens. Okay, it looks really nice there. Yeah, Greg, that's what we do, right? I have no idea whatsoever what a veterans group for schooling cost support is. Like no idea, right? But we do offer an 8-week mentorship program to help with your trading. Okay, as Greg just said. Okay, the way you can get access to that is going through our application phase right here. Okay, if you click on the on-demand trading, it's going to open up a link for you to go and access that free training. Okay, you fill that out. Okay, you're going to get the ability to book a call with one of our advisors. Okay, they'll walk you through our program, let you decide if you want to move forward, and we'll make sure you're a good fit. If so, get you enrolled. Okay. But you can access that all down there by simply just clicking on demand trading. Later on, I'm going to go through and drop a link here. And so we should be good. Greg, if that happened, go ahead and send me a message on school, okay, on the vault. Go ahead and send me a message, okay, so we can do. How about SPY? So SPY, I'm looking more for TLM here. They're looking for TLM, but need price to take this low out. So again, price to take this low, and we should have a possible play. IWM starting to sell off. Probably not going to be a play now that happened. Apple's looking promising. I think Apple's ready to go. I'm going to see if we can take this high, pull back, target the next, like something like this. Be a little bit patient here. You could get in now and scalp it. I want to be a little bit more careful, just in case if we do want to make a lower move. But something like this would be good for Apple if we take out this high and then we pull back. Again, if we pull back, you could definitely take it now. Yeah, Gabe, Apple TLM. You could definitely take it now. Like you would have been a sniper. I just want to be a little bit careful because I know people will follow me. So I want to wait until we break it and then pull back. But it's looking really freaking good. It's looking really good. So what would that be? So yeah, definitely playable. 31-cent stop. TLM is the triple line method. Okay, it's really only available for students in our mentorship program. I kind of provide it for free on Wednesdays, so everyone can trade it. But if you want full complete access, it's inside of our 8-week mentorship program. All students get access to it. Okay, again, let's go ahead and wait there. Let's wait for that. I don't want to get too just caught on that. IWM is coming down. Probably going to miss that. NVIDIA looks good. I wish that would have broke and pulled back. NVIDIA has potential. I like NVIDIA kind of like this. Bounce off this demand. But let's see. I kind of really like this. I don't like how we stop on that though. I'm going to be a little bit more. I'm going to be a little patient. I'm just going to be patient. Market's been kind of weird lately, so. Tesla ended up dumping. That's kind of, I'm going to go ahead and remove that off. See, that's what I mean. Like, whoa, gosh. Oh, food, dude. Can you take her? All right. Well, that's sweet. My wife brought me a coffee. MU rotated. Dang, I had that ready to go. I think NVIDIA will hold, and I think Apple will too. Apple, let's see that high break and pull back, and NVIDIA, let's see this high break and pull back, and that will give me that extra, that boost of confidence there. Oh, those are sour. Yeah, let's just wait. Let's be patient here. So if we take out that 127 area, 127.70, and start to pull back, definitely like it. May need to move my entry up a tiny bit, but definitely like to stop. We'll just see what happens. Those are definitely the top two on the watch list, Apple and NVIDIA, for potential scalp longs using TLM. NVIDIA just went off. Okay, let's go ahead. So that would be 1-to-1. Let's see if we can get like a 50% retracement from this low. Okay, about right there. I should have just entered, but okay. It's a 55-cent stop. I don't know if we'll get filled, but $133. Dang, I don't know if we'll get filled. At or below 127.40. If anyone else caught that, good job. Again, have my OCO set about right here, 127.40. Netflix below TLM. Okay, we'll take a look. Apple, want to see that break that high and pull back. IWM just missed. Netflix below. Yeah, but the previous day was pretty trendy. Well, kind of. Netflix, you want to see a break above $6.99 and then pull back. So again, have an order set here. Hopefully we get filled. We'll see. We might not get filled, but I'll look at it here in a second. This donut is falling apart. My aunt owns a coffee shop. She makes like homemade banana bread, donuts. Coffee's amazing. Just an overall good place to go and fellowship. Okay, let's see. We have demand there. Maybe we might not get filled, but it might bounce right off that demand. Dang. Yeah, it'll probably bounce. Dang, that sucks. It bounced right off that 1 minute demand there. 45. Dang, we might not get it. We might not get it, boys and girls. IWM missed an opportunity. Apple, see, that's what I was saying. Be a little bit careful on Apple. Now it came out. Dang, dude. Oh, it's frustrating. Oh, I should have had my entry at 45. That's on me. That's on me, team. 45 wouldn't have got filled. 46 would have, though. Dang, that is on me, team. That was a great trade, great setup. Just didn't get the fill. Dang, man, that's annoying. Okay. That is annoying. Netflix, good supply and demand. Let's see. Down in here. Yeah. Down in here. Supply and demand. Trace. Yeah, definitely. Could be. Yeah, it's looking bullish for sure. Yeah, could be good. Could definitely be good. Gonna go ahead and remove this off of OCO. Dang, man. Did anyone catch that? Was anyone able to get filled on NVIDIA there? Unfreaking fortunate, man. Really good setup, really good trade. Just missed it. This is like the most crumbly donut of all time. So unlucky, man. So unlucky. It's because not enough people like the video, right? That's why. We didn't get the good luck because some of you guys are stubborn and don't want to hit that freaking like button. QQQ only move now would be to the downside. AMD never popped out. SPY, not really going to touch. Meta never popped out. MU, I think, is already done. Yeah, MU, just going to remove it. IWM, I really like. I just don't see a potential setup now. But yeah, hey, look at this Court L, right? See how we open right here? Right here, sorry. See how this, ignore that candle. See how this candle has the highest volume out of all of these? So relevant to the rest of the price action, it's the highest. And what happens? Reversal, right? You kind of see that right there. Okay, Apple has potential here. Let's see if that's a pivot low anywhere. If Apple can take this high and pull back, I like it with stop down in here. Probably entry down in here. See if we can get it, but I could just say screw it and go now. What are your thoughts? It's going to rotate. Yeah, it'll rotate. No FOMO. I know it'll rotate though. I'll go ahead and put my OCO in right there. 226.30. 38 cents. What was it? How long? 40 cents. See if you get filled there. Have the OCO set for 226.30. See if you get filled. And that's just trading, really. Like everything's perfect, and then you still have to be perfect too, right? And everything has to align to what you want. And today it just didn't. Part of it. Netflix is back in. Okay, let's look at it. And I don't love Netflix options, but definitely looking a little bullish. But yeah, we still got to take out $6.99 or $6.98 anyways. So what's that range? 2%. It's pretty big. But here we go. Now we're getting somewhere, maybe. Might move that up to 226.35. That'll be right at 50%. 35. and still have a good risk to reward. Again, I don't think it's going to fill. The one downside to being patient is missing great moves. Oh, Andy, I didn't even see your message up there. Oh, yeah. So close to getting filled. So a stock or option, let me make sure I'm reading that right. So I am day trading options. Okay. I invest in stocks, but I day trade options. Yeah. So I'm day trading options right here. So, for example, I'm buying a call, or I have an order in for a call. It's not going to get filled for that move higher, right? Literally, it would have been 2 for 2 today. Had price pulled back a tiny bit. Oxy calls. So probably going to need, going to need to remove this too. Annoying, man. Let's look at Oxy, man. Nice, bro. Good, great trade on Apple. Glad you got a fill. That's awesome. Oxy. Calls on Oxy. Why do you like calls on Oxy? No, I am not trading 0 DTE. I trade minimum of 2 DTE. I trade a minimum of 2 DTE. So I like calls on Oxy too. I already took a swing back in January and February that printed for me, right? But I like it too, but for more than just prices at demand, right? I like it because we're in a balance zone. We popped out, we came back inside, and now we're at demand. What I'd like to see for a day trade, I think you're fine. Go ahead and freaking take the trade. For a swing trade, targeting all the way up in here, right? All the way up there, I would like to see a break of the 58.10 high. If we can break that high, that's going to give us a good indication that price wants to go higher. Yeah. Again, if you're swinging, I would wait. I would wait. Because if you look at this, price hasn't broken out of that little downtrend right there. Right? Wait for price to break out of that downtrend. Wait for it to take out this 58 high. No, I haven't. I haven't, brother. I can look at it though. The shop balance zone. Hour? Or what? Or like 15-minute. What time frame? This one here? There's a cricket somewhere. Oh, it's so annoying. Go outside. Oh, they're sour. Oh, the 15-minute, brother. This. Nice, John. Heck yeah, we love bangers. Yeah, yeah, it could be a good possible play for sure. Just need to take out this low on TLM and rotate lower. Yeah, but I mean, yesterday was pretty trendy though. So maybe setting up for a good trade tomorrow. If we're flat today, good short tomorrow. For sure. I'll put it up here. Again, John's catching meta for a banger, as he says. Dude, great job. What did you just play? The kind of retest here? Or did you just play like a retest pull back there? What what'd you take? What was your entry, brother? $523. Oh wow, so you're looking at it like this. Oh man, zooming out for me. So you go boom, boom. Dude, I love it. Target below that supply. Oh dang, come on. Come on, you got me all excited. Okay. No, I like it too though. The strong low right here. Boom. Wait, 528. Oh, meta's still pumping. I would look to probably close that on this explosive move there. Again, volume increase, possible reversal. That's a freaking great trade. 528, a strong low. Gotcha. Cool. Yeah, look to freaking exit that, dude. Volume increase, volume spike. Gonna lose a little bit there. It's my recommendation. Good job, John. QCOM TLM. I don't even think I do have it on my watch list. Yeah, but need to take this low out. So got a ways for it to work. Need to take out that 172 low. So nah, nothing. And hopefully, I have my eyes on Netflix for sure. Need to come up. Need to come up, pull back, stop down in here, target. Close to the other side. Right there. That's a good target. Something like that. But we need to take this high out. Take out that supply, pull back, boom. Just like that. 3 candles. 3 1-minute candles, all we need. Look at that, right at the 50%. That's crazy. QQQ, balance theory, TLM. Right here. Nah, screw that, bro. Screw that. But yeah, it's rocking. It's rocking. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's rocking. Oh, really? No, that's okay. That's okay. As you get more size, you will have multiple contracts. You can do that. Again, I don't love holding runners, but it does feel good. Like for day trades, I don't really hold runners. Swings, I do. Well, no one ever went broke taking profits, except when you take profits before your average loss. Then yes, you will. You'll go broke. Because then your wins are $10 and your losses are 1,000. These are like the sourest blueberries I've ever eaten in my life. Well, I don't know. I think they might be done. Oh my gosh, they're sour. They might be over with. So let me do this. So as we're wrapping up here today, okay, if you are not in our mentorship program, okay, again, I'd love to hear from the guys that are in here and just how awesome it is and how much it's helped you. Right. I'd love to hear a little bit of notes from you. But if you're not, okay, and it's something that you're interested in joining and working in to actually become profitable and self-sufficient in just 8 weeks, okay, I'm going to drop a link in the chat. Okay. This link right here gives you the ability to just go straight into booking a call with our advisor. No training, no email, nothing. Just pick a time that works for you and book in a call, right? You can clearly see we have some slots open on Thursday and some slots open on Friday. Okay. Go book in and we'll walk you through our process and see if we can help. Okay. And like, look at these right here. Look at these people just speaking truth on it. So again, we're going to help with mastering, emotional control. Right. That's the biggest thing, right? It's a mindset shift. I was talking to Andy actually yesterday, and how the mentorship is like, yes, it's going to help you become profitable, but it's an entire mindset shift, right? Of what it actually looks like to be profitable and make money in the markets, right? Not forcing trades, having absolutely no stress, being able to walk through and talk through it, right? I remember back, I don't even know, 4 or 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I would be literally staring at my phone the entire time I was in a trade or my screen, right? I was glued to it, right? And like I couldn't even think of anything else other than, the stock going up and down, right? It was bad. It was bad. But again, that was all changed by one, a proven strategy that's backed us into working on markets, right? Coaching to help me through and implement that strategy and become profitable, and then a scaling plan to where I can now then trade full time, right? Again, book a call right here. There's tons of times available. Okay, we'd love to help you. Okay, we'd absolutely love to help you. And if you do come in, okay, I don't do. I really kind of stepped out of one-on-one coaching because I just do more engagement stuff and manage all the other coaches. Okay, but I will personally do our first one-on-one together. Okay, and I'll guide you through the entire process and help you get profitable as well. Okay, so book in, and if you do book in, let me know in the chat. Okay, let me know. But again, extremely excited to have you join us, and we'll be rocking and rolling. But sweet, awesome guys. Well, hey, again, links in there. I'll drop it again for you in case you missed it. But look forward to seeing you guys next week. Also, make sure that you join my free newsletter too, right here. Hey, thank you, John. Good job on Meta. Yeah, if you want to join my newsletter right here, again, 100% free. Just tons of value in there. And there's an option to become a paid member for like $6. Gives you a little bit more insight about what I'm doing from an investing standpoint, but all right there. And yeah, Greg, go ahead and just shoot me a message on, or you can go book a call too. If you want to just book a call, that's fine. But you can send me a message on school. Thank you guys again. Appreciate you and all that you do and all that you are. Thank you again for your support. We're at 1.27 subscribers now, 27K subscribers on the up and up. I absolutely love it. Again, let's get me to 10K. I also released this video about trading market corrections. I think it was one of my best videos I've ever made. And so I'll make sure that that's dropped in there too, so you guys can do it. But again, appreciate you guys. Love your support. And I'll see you guys next week.